Hello everyone, Sarah Breitlander here with Crane Luxury Real Estate, and I hope this video finds you happy and well wherever you may be. Today, I am in Playa Grande in the Guanacaste region of Costa Rica. Specifically, I'm in the gated community of Las Ventanas in Playa Grande, the most prestigious gated community in Playa Grande. Why am I here? Because so many of my clients are finding this area the place that they want to be. A part of my job is to introduce to you up and coming areas that my clients are loving so that you can discover in real time from the comfort of your own home what we're doing down here. So to answer all of your questions, I thought, well, let's just do a video of Las Ventanas generally. We're going to talk a little bit about the community here, the clubhouse which we're at, and about Grande generally. So if all of this sounds like of interest to you, stay tuned and explore with me today.
Join me today and welcome to the beautiful Costa. Share with you one of our top luxury listings.
Okay, everyone, so here we are in the clubhouse of the gated community of Las Ventanas in Playa Grande in Guanacaste, Costa Rica. So we're going to explore just a little bit of the clubhouse. We're going to talk about the gated community and about Grande generally. But before we do that, I want you to see the ocean views from this clubhouse, which, by the way, most homes in Las Ventanas share this view. Take a look. Fabulous ocean views. You can also see Tamarindo Beach from here, so you can see the waves crashing on Tamarindo Beach from this area. Of course, you have a large infinity edge pool here. This is a bi-level pool. So you have great sun, lounge chairs. You also have wonderful shade here. You have these teak ceiling fans throughout. You probably see my hair blowing, nice and breezy here. So just really lovely. And as you can see, never really crowded, which we like as well. So you can just come through here, all kinds of lounging space, his and her bathrooms. There's a pool table here. There's also an outdoor kitchen here. So this is just a place where the residents can come and the guests and just hang out with each other, in addition to their private homes here with their individual pool. This is kind of a community center. You can have parties out here, kids parties. It's really nice. Here's a little map. There's many trails, some great trails here in Las Ventanas. So here are a map of those. Other amenities in Las Ventanas, let's talk about those because there are quite a few of them actually. We have, of course, all the roads are paved here. There is 24-hour security, a really nice gated entrance. And in fact, there's a lot of families that live here. The private schools around are phenomenal. You're 15 minutes from at least 3 of the top private schools, which is great, and probably 4 more that aren't the big 3, but are still great educational options. So all the kids, they'll ride their bikes down to the entrance, and the security guards are always kind of watching with them and directing the traffic, and then the bus picks them up right out front. So that's really nice. There are also there's a skate park here, basketball courts, pickleball courts, tennis courts. There's a trampoline park. I'm missing something, I'll think of it. But there's a ton of stuff going on here, and there's a real sense of community. There's food delivery here, so they deliver organic fruits and veggies, fresh fish, cheeses, artisan cheeses and bread. So that's really nice too. They're also developing a commercial center just at the entrance. So there'll be a gym there, a little boutique shopping, and some other coffee shop, other things in that area. Where are we in relation to Playa Grande? We're a 3-minute drive to Grande Beach, which many of you know is it's one of the best surfing beaches in the country. So they have the Surf Academy here. So kids come from all around, and families, including my own, to have their kids do surfing lessons here. So you'll see families in this development from Flamingo, Potrero, Tamarindo. They all come to Grande because Grande has the flavor has the surf, has amazing restaurants. There are also community centers here. So there's a great exercise and community center. Kids can take yoga, there's martial arts. So all of this is really developing a sense of community in this area. And more of my clients want to be here, which is why I wanted to explore this area with you. We just sold a listing in here. We currently have 2 more that are actually really new to the market. So I wanted you to understand not only about the homes, but about where they're located. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like us, subscribe to our channel, and tell us in the comments below what you like about this community and what else you'd like to see on our channel. Ciao for now, and pura vida.